Good afternoon, Michelle.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Michelle Pivela, 27. I am a single mom with one kid, and I have been working for 2 years as a local domestic helper for taking care of five-year-old kid with one couple.
Aside from taking care of the 5-year-old kid, other household chores you contribute to do in the house.
Ma'am, my main duties my main duties are cleaning, taking care of 5 years old, taking care of a kid, washing clothes, tutoring the homework with the kid, and cooking, marketing.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong, Michelle?
I want to give a better future for my son.
If you feel homesick, what will you do? Or if your son asks you to come back home to take care of him, what will you do?
I will tell to my family and to my son that I will finish my contract, and if I'm feeling homesick, I will make myself busy.
For example, if a 5-year-old girl asks you to play with you while you are cooking dinner, what will you do?
I tell her first that I will finish my duties. Then I promise to her to play with her.
If a stranger calls your employer's house asking some information about your employer, what will you do?
I tell her first. I tell the caller first about her name before I tell to my employer.
Before doing the laundry, what do you do to the clothes?
I check first if the clothes they have valuable things. Then I separate the white color into the color.
Do you have any allergies in foods, drugs, or detergent?
Nothing.
Any food you do not eat?
None, ma'am.
If your employer asks you to clean other house, are you going to obey or not?
I'm willing, ma'am.
And are you pet lover?
Yes, ma'am.
Not afraid of dogs, even big dogs? Any message for future employer, Michelle?
I'm looking forward to meet you, ma'am. And good afternoon, ma'am and sir. I'm hoping and looking forward to have a job, and I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I will follow the rules and regulation from you, madam and sir.
That's all.
That's all, ma'am.
Thank you for coming, Michelle. Good day.